See, look. My mask is fixed this time. I fixed it. No more.
Hey people, Sonic Bob here, and I recently went to the last scheduled mall battle at Lloyd's Center, Oregon, which was hosted by Trackers Portland and Captain Xavier. I was with some NERF hobbyists and designers, and I mostly ran comp due to the FPS drop. Like, why do you have to drop the FPS to 130 instead of it being usually 150? I know it's inside a mall and it's indoors, and I know there's a bunch of kids around, but we all mostly mod our blasters to 150 anyway, and some blasters out of the box run 150. But overall, the event was pretty fun. The community is friendly and respectful, and I hope to play another game like this one pretty soon. So here are the blasters I ran for the event. First we have is my sexy Cynthia. Then we have my cute Maxium that I made recently, my Mid Venom Pro, and my reliable Nexus Pro X. Pretty much all of these blasters were 150 FPS, so I had to play competitive. I wanted to try out my Cynthia as I haven't played a game with it, especially in competitive. So when I tested it through the chronograph, it read about like 190.
I'm aiming for that head over there. What the f is going on? First try.
Before I show you the event, I would like to thank Trackers Portland. Trackers Portland has a variety of different family-friendly activities where you can sign up and participate in events just like this, or other stuff if you wanted to. Let's get into the video.
So it's lunchtime right now, so I'm just waiting for the next comp game. Dude, the event looks so pretty. Look at that. Nah, just kidding. It's just Jose.
Is that Luchador? Oh. What you gotta say to him with Sonic Bob?
Make sure you.
Sub to Sonic Bob.
What are you gonna say to my channel?
Who's that? I don't have my get up on. People are gonna recognize me. Don't record me in this without my costume on.
Plus without his makeup.
There you go.
That's sexy.
You don't know what sexy is. Let me take my... Ew, I hate that.
Let me see. Oh, look how cute Flux is now. They all left, man. They all left to get food. Now I'm here by myself, watching Flux's stuff. Man, privilege. I guess I'll get comp footage. Our first comp game with Cynthia.
What the hell was that?
Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? I'm staying back. Oh, you got me, dude. Maxium time. Let's see how it works. look, it's Dr. Flux.
Hey, I'm Dr. Flux.
It's Dr. Flux.
I'm missing my top slide.
And look, it's also Luchathor. Oh god. HPV. Humans versus zombies.
This is it's a how to survive an HvZ 101. Let's go.
Let's go. Hey, say hello. Let's check out your loadout. Dude.
It's pretty cool. It has slam fires. You can do.
Oh, what the Oh!
I'm gonna put my POV in your POV.
Oh, let's go. Let's fucking go, POV. Oh, POVs. Oh,
We're a full-on unit, yo.
get out. Where the zomboys at? Ooh. Ooh.
This is how you survive an HvZ.
There he goes. Jesus.
Wait, if I don't consent to being touched by a zombie, do I win?
I guess so.
Dude, I found the cheat code, bro.
What'd you find? The corner.
Right here.
Yeah. Every inch, every corner. Oh, thank you. This is too much. We're trapped in a corner here. Where's the VIP? Well, that was HPV. I got tagged.
HvZ.
HVZ. Oh,
HPV is a disease, okay?
Oh, sorry.
That was HvZ.
Dr. Flux, everybody. Dr. Flux.
Sometimes.
Yeah, and Luchathor.
Are you okay, boy?
No. Call help.